The stage is set. The green flag drops. Shred fades into last. Grinder jams into first. Shred looks lost out there. Ryback fades into last. Butcher jams into first. Rip is about to blow. Butcher unleashes hot fury. Ryback fades into last. Rash is dominating the race. Last lap. Shred is about to blow. Grinder lights him up. Shred fades to last. Grinder lights him up. Rash scores a first-place knockout. Grinder finishes second. Ryback takes a weak third. Butcher is in another time zone.